Hello everyone! Today I'm going to talk about our new product, the zbootos, the holistic approach to PC management. One of the biggest problems that modern business is facing is that there are so many PCs to control, especially in the sector for customer-related operations such as call center, hotline service. There can be hundreds of working computers in a single room. Not only in the business field, think about education. Nowadays, every school and university operates with many computer labs. As the number of computers to control increases, the difficulties in managing this computer grow as well. The human resource to control and manage all these computers are still very limited. To solve this problem in an environment with many computers, zbootos has been developed. zbootos is a high-performance network booting solution that enables centralized management of user system that can be shared among other clients as well. zbootos makes use of an idea of virtual disk and it streams an operating system from the central server. Now, let's take a detailed look at zbootos. Look at this picture. There are so many computers and workers in a single room. With the ordinary computing environment, manager of this computer lab may have to suffer from continuous problem reports and individual manipulation of each computer. With zbootos, all the computers in the lab are now managed as a single system by the server. The manager now only have to deal with the zbootos server. The basic configuration of zbootos is shown in the picture. There is clients in which the end user accesses the zbootos, and there is central server in which the image of created and modified virtual disks are stored. All of the operations among each server are monitored by the administrator in admin server. Database, directory service, and web service can again interact with the main server, and they can be used with a custom expansion. Now, with this configuration diagram, let's take a look on how the initialization of zbootos service is made in administrator's perspective. Administrator create an initial image of the operating system with the application they would like to have with it. This creation is done with the help of zbootos autoencoder. Once it is created, the image of that virtual disk is stored in the central server. Look at this picture and see how the image operates with the client PC after the initial creation of the image. Once the initial image is set, the user can boot up that image through the intranet. After the booting completes, user then can use the operating system with applications in on-demand streaming basis. Only necessary portion of the image is streamed, so the user can work as if he works on his local operating system. Now, let's talk about the benefits you can get with zbootos. Before we start, let's imagine a call center with 1,000 of PCs. Yes, most of big companies' call center operate with this much of computers. When some of these PCs don't work, the economical loss of the company is beyond number. However, the maintenance of these computers are still very difficult due to the limited human resources and time. zbootos manages client PCs in the main central server. Therefore, if some of the computers don't work, the administrator can analyze and fix the problem in his own computer. He doesn't have to move an inch from his seat. Also, if same problem has occurred in many client computers, by fixing a single image of that virtual disk, all problematic computers can get back to their lives. The other problem that most of computers are facing nowadays is that their employees use their work PCs not only for their work, but as well for their personal uses. zbootos can stream different virtual disks with different groups of software. This provides an employee a computing environment where they have the work-related applications only. zbootos provides two operation modes, read and write mode and read-only mode. With read-only mode, the employee cannot install their personal software and so can focus on their job. With zbootos, you can maximize your work PC's performance. Unlike other network booting solutions, zbootos fully make use of client PC's resource for computing. Moreover, zbootos load the image of the virtual disk in its clean state. So unlike the current ordinary computing environments, in which computer lags with a mass of unnecessary service and registry settings, you can use the full resource of your work PCs with faster response. With optimized performance and the efficient management of numerous computers, a company can experience great cost reduction. Our report shows that over 30% of cost reduction can be made with zbootos. 30%, that's a lot. As employees work on their PCs with network connection, it is possible that some malware such as virus and spyware can be introduced into their PCs. This can cause huge damage on their PCs and lags their computers' overall performance. Moreover, exposure to this malware can lead to the outflow of companies' important data and cause huge economical loss. zbootos provides secured workspace with its own defending mechanism. With zbootos, your employee and company are in safety. zbootos provides user-friendly workspace. zbootos concentrates all the data of work PCs in the main central server, so it emulates the cloud storage service. This cloud storage service enables rich use of client PC's resource and let users use the exact same workspace regardless of the computer they use within the zbootos system. Moreover, users can select the operating system they would like to use with user-friendly interface, so they can easily diversify their computer use. Some of you might worry about the cost it takes to newly adopting our zbootos, but you don't have to worry about it. zbootos streams the virtual disk with software approach. Therefore, you can adopt it on your already existing environment with no additional equipment installation. Use zbootos and work smart. If you're interested with this video, please visit our website at www.softonnet.com to find more about zbootos and our other products. Thank you.